Number 1. National Zoological Park, Delhi. Inaugurated in 1959, National Zoological Park, also known as Chidiyaghar, is situated near the Old Fort in Delhi and is a favorite weekend spot among adults and children alike. National Zoological Park is well maintained and is largely visited by tourists. It has canteens inside for the visitors and battery operated vehicles at very reasonable prices, which you could use if exhausted. But the real fun is in exploring the place on your feet. From biggest cats to the tiniest birds, the zoo has all kinds of animals and birds. Number 2. Mysore Zoo, Mysore. Shri Chamarajendra Zoological Gardens, also known as the Mysore Zoo, is one of the best zoological gardens in India. Maharaja Chamaraja Vodeyar established this zoo in the year 1892 for the royals. The zoo's meticulous planning is responsible for making it a special zoological garden. It tends to create a natural habitat for the animals in it. From big to small cats, aquatic to terrestrial birds, and primates to reptiles, 168 species find their place in this zoo. The world's first cesarean section delivery performed on an elephant in Mysore Zoo gave it global fame and recognition. Number 3. Rajiv Gandhi Zoological Park, Pune. Rajiv Gandhi Zoological Park is a famous tourist and recreational attraction in Pune. The zoo expands over an area of 130 acres. The Central Zoo Authority thus identifies the zoological park as a considerably large zoo. Its location near the Katraj Lake makes it a preferred attraction for picnics and outings. It is therefore flocked by locals, especially the animal and nature lovers, at least every weekend. Number 4. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park, Vishakhapatnam. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park is a scenic location set amidst the Eastern Ghats and is a part of the Kambala-Konda Forest Reserve. It acts as a home for approximately 80 different species of animals spread over an area of 625 acres and is one of the largest zoological parks in Andhra Pradesh. The Bay of Bengal is situated close by, which makes it an ideal destination to study flora and fauna right beside each other. Number 5. Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad. With over 1500 species finding habitat here, the Nehru Zoological Park is one of the most loved attractions in the city. Neighboring the Mir Alam Tank, it is also known as Hyderabad Zoo. The massive enclosure plays host to Indian rhino, Asiatic lion, Bengal tigers, Indian elephant, as well as panthers, pythons, deer, and antelopes. It is among the largest zoos in India at 380 acres and is popular among visitors as the animals have been kept in enclosures that resemble their natural habitat. Number 6. Nandankanan Zoological Park, Bhubaneswar. A unique zoo set inside a forest, Nandankanan Zoological Park was established in 1960. It is a fascinating sanctuary built to ensure that the flora and fauna thrive in a protected region in their natural habitat. It is the first zoo in the world to have successfully bred melanistic and white tigers. The zoo has 34 large aquariums which shelter numerous freshwater fish for your kids' never-ending love for the grilled species. Number 7. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, also known as Vandalur Zoo, is the first public zoo in India. It is located in Vandalur, a suburb in the southwestern part of Chennai, about 31 kilometers away from the city center and 15 kilometers from the Chennai airport. It is the largest zoo in India in terms of area covered and is filled with nature's wonders, from sanctuary aviaries and walk-through aviaries to butterfly houses, crocodile enclaves, and an aquarium surrounded by a pond. The zoo also has a reptile house, which houses various species of reptiles including the king cobra, python, viper, and much more. Number 8. Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling. The Padmaja Naidu Zoological Park is a splendid enclosure in Darjeeling, housing a wide variety of animals. Also known as Darjeeling Zoo, this is a haven for animals of all kinds and a huge center of attraction for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts. The zoo is known internationally for its breeding and conservation programs and also include an off-display breeding center for snow leopards and red pandas. Number 9. Alipur Zoo, Kolkata. Alipur Zoo in Kolkata is one of the oldest zoos in India and a popular tourist attraction of the city. It is still known for Aldabara, the giant tortoise that lived for almost 250 years and died in the year 2006. It is one of the best places to see Royal Bengal tigers. The zoo is also home to a wide variety of birds like golden pheasant, ostrich, turacos and hornbills. Number 10. Sakkarbog Zoological Garden, Junagadh. Situated on the Junagadh-Rajkot Highway, Junagadh Zoo, also known as Sakkarbog Zoo, is a massive zoological park in Junagadh, popular for the purebred Asiatic lions. Besides a variety of birds and animals including wild boar, blue bull, antelope, etc., the park also has an in-house natural history museum and a veterinary hospital. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.